What's up, everybody? Thank you for coming back to the channel. I lost a lot of footage at the beginning of this video, so we're starting out where I just got back from the dealership with the picker after getting some repairs done to it. So sit back, enjoy the video, and thank you for watching. Well, we made it back to the shop. Putting some fuel in it, we're gonna put some water in it, and we're gonna go try to pick some cotton. Here we are, day 2, the end of day 2, picking cotton. I had to adjust a lot of doffers this morning as part of the process. I'm probably going on 40 acres a day. It's not been I didn't get to start until about 2, so it is what it is, but so far everything's running smooth. Picking about a bale to a bale and a half. It's a sandier field we've got. Still did rather well considering the conditions with the drought and the flooding and all that we've had this year. But we're getting by. I just figured I'd give y'all an update. We're going into our 4th day on cotton harvest. I'm gonna set up a tripod to show what goes into servicing these pickers in the morning. I've got my industrial air compressor right now. I don't know how well you can hear me, but let me get this tripod set up and a time lapse going and you can see what goes into it. I got the picker blown off now. We're gonna go into cleaning the heads. I gotta change the oil on it this morning, put some fuel in it, put some more water in it. Fuel tank's right there. I had some people ask some questions in previous videos, and then the water tank and grease tanks right there. But I got my uncle, he's over there blowing the air filter out. We're gonna go and clean the moisture pads on it. They're right here behind this door. Gotta clean all 12 of them every morning. But you'll see in a minute, it's not that bad of a process. So, this is your moisture pad door. These are your moisture pads. And those are your spindles. The moisture pads clean off the spindles. That's all there is to cleaning your moisture pads. We do this every morning. There's a row here, and then there's another set back here. So there's 12 altogether. We'll clean them, blow the heads out, adjust doffers if needed, and then get ready to go to the field. Now we're going to take that wrap off that pallet and load it to the baler. It'll sit up under that shelf right above that yellow roll right there. We just put the roll in there. Here we are, folks, day 5 cotton harvest. We just blew it off, cleaned the heads. Now I'm putting this thing in a field mode. It's in transportation mode right now. to do that is hold C. Well, I ran out of battery while I was putting the cotton picker in field mode. I got a new battery in now. Now we're gonna grease the heads. I got a tether on this number 3 row unit. I'll press this button, it'll turn these heads slowly. Sounds like I got a dolphin, never mind. But I turn these heads slowly till I start seeing grease come out. So you got some grease starting at the top, and then you got it at the top of these bars. Now we'll count 6 down. Once I got grease coming out the 6th hole down there, I'll stop the grease and we'll go pick some cotton. See how we have grease coming around right here? We're 6 spindles down. We're ready to go pick some cotton. I guess Remy's gonna do the driving today. We're going on Sunday now. We got a little rain last night, so I'm not gonna pick any today, but I've got plenty of bales to go spear and line up for the module trucks. So we're gonna go ahead and get going to that. I'm gonna set up the camera outside for them. Look at Remy. Let's go spear some bales. I'll show y'all what that's about. So we gotta move all those from there and 3 way down there. I'm probably gonna build 2 more modules on the wood line right there. But I'm gonna set the camera up on the tripod and let y'all see what it looks like when I stab one and whenever I drop them in a row. So hopefully y'all enjoy that. Dropped the bales, it started raining, so I didn't have time to go up there. Well, I didn't want to get wet, if I'm being honest with you. Here we are, I'm gonna go ahead and grab another one. That's just what it looks like from the inside. Sometimes sometimes they want to move, and then you just kind of got to dump the clutch and pick them up. Go set them in line with the other one. Put this backup camera on top of the roof of the tractor. It helps out a lot. We actually got it during peanut harvest season. I put it on the peanut cart, and ooh, the third link looks a little funky. Let me go look at that real quick. The turnbuckle just came loose. That's all it was. Nothing messed up. But the backup camera is nice. It helps you line them up a little better. But I've been doing it a long while, so I know just about how far I can let this bell down before I have to worry about it splitting on me. And then we just back up till I see the other one move, like so, and then drop it. Now there's two perfectly spaced bells there. Now it takes 4 per load. The module trucks, they'll get 4 at a time. Some trucks can get 5, but most of the ones around here only get 4. Unless you haul it yourself, that's becoming a really popular option too. I finally got my dad on the picker. He said he'd been wanting to run it some, so I got him set up to go. He loves to pick cotton just as much as me. So I'm going to move these bells for him while he goes and picks the rest of this field. Here we are 2 weeks and 3 days into the cotton harvest. Everything's been moving really good. I'm actually on the last 2 rows of the 2024 season. This field isn't yielding too hot. The river right over there in that cut down, it's a little PD, and we had all those hurricanes. I believe it was 3 and 2 tropical storms. This whole farm flooded about a foot above the cotton, so we knew it wasn't going to yield too well, but it's still yielding rather well. We're being underwater for a day to day and a half. But we're going to finish up these 2 rows here and head to the shop with this thing, get it cleaned up, unless I do some custom picking that's still on the board, and then get the combine ready to start cutting some beans. Because of the hurricanes and the drought, same scenario with those. They're not looking too hot. I should be able to cut them all in 3 days, which should normally take a week and a half, but half of them drowned or died of the drought, so we'll see how those are when we get into them. I got the cotton picker back to the shop. It's parked. I haven't cleaned it yet because I don't know if I'm going to have to do any kind of custom picking. Daddy's going to go finish up the last bit of the cotton stalk mowing with the cyclone and clean up around some of the fields. We got Remy right there. But I'm gonna go ahead and end this video here, guys. I appreciate y'all watching. I really appreciated the feedback I got on the last video. Remember, if you like the content, to like and subscribe. It really means a lot to me, and I'll see you in the next one.